I cannot believe I am sitting down to film this video. It's amazing. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of Makeup by Mario. I don't have like a lipstick and a lip liner yet because I'm getting that for Christmas, so that's not going to be in the video. There are some other products that are not Makeup by Mario that I'm going to be using in this video, but it's almost a full face of Makeup by Mario. So I already have my eyebrows done and I just put a little bit of a liquid eyeshadow on the eyes. So let's dive right into the eyeshadow palette. So the eyeshadow palette that we are going to be using today from Makeup by Mario is the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes The Neutrals eyeshadow palette. I'm going to first start with this shade, which is MN7. I'm going to use it with the BK Beauty and Angie Hot and Flashy, the A502 brush, which is this one. I'm just going to apply this to the crease. To add some depth, I'm gonna go into MN5, which is this shade. We're going to apply that to the outer part of the eye. I want to darken it up just a little bit more, so I'm going to go with the shade directly below it, which is MN9. I'm going to use the same brush and a tiny bit of that shade and just apply it to the outer corner. The first product that is not Makeup by Mario that I wanted to use is the Zara Eyes, or the Kofi, is it Kofi? Yeah, Kofi Zara Eyes eyeshadow in Sona Sona. I have been loving this shade. It's so pretty. I'm going to apply it with my finger. That might have been a little too much, so I'm gonna take some of that off. I'm just going to apply that right on the lid. And I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blending brush and just blend in the crease just a little bit with this. For eyeliner, I wanted to use a brown eyeliner. So this is the Makeup by Mario Master Pro Pigment Pencil in Perfect Brown. I'm going to do a little bit of a wing. I'm going to do this eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, now I have the eyeliner on. I'm going to set the eyeliner. So I'm going to go back into the Makeup by Mario Master Matte The Neutrals palette and I'm going to take MN10, which is this one. And we are going to set the liner. Alright, the mascara that I'm going to use, since he doesn't actually have a mascara yet, I'm going to use the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara. This is in the shade Black. Okay, now we can move on to the complexion. I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin foundation. This shade is in the shade 3W. Okay, I'm going to squirt it on the back of my hand. I'm going to use the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty, the N17 brush. I'm going to work it onto the brush, and now I can start applying. I am going to be using doing a little mixture to both of the contouring or bronzing products from Makeup by Mario. So I'm going to use the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick and the bronzing and shaping serum. So I'm first going to take a little bit of the shaping serum and then also the shaping stick. And to apply it, I'm going to use the Anissa Beauty Angled Cheek Brush. I'm going to blend the two together. Oh yeah, this is the first time I combined these two shades, or these two products anyway, and I love it. Whoa! I'm going to apply some more on the back of my hand or the forehead. I'm going to use what's left on the brush to contour the jawline. I'm going to take a smaller brush to do the nose contour. I should also really get the Makeup by Mario concealer. I don't have that right now. Instead, I'm going to use the Dior Backstage Flash Protector Concealer. Okay, this is the first time, or not really the first time, but the first time I'm using it on camera, this brush. This brush is the BK Beauty and Angie Hot and Flashy, the A506. This brush has become my new favorite for blending in concealer. I love it. It is so good. All right, now let's move right into powder. So I'm gonna take the Makeup by Mario Surreal Skin Soft Blur Setting Powder. This is in the shade 2 Neutral Light. I'm going to use the Nikki Rose and BK Beauty the N14 brush to set the face. I'm gonna go right in the T-zone and the under eyes. So what Ally Glines did in her recent video that she actually posted today that I want to try. So she used her blush brush as a powder brush as well. So I'm going to try that right now. She just set the entire face with this. I'm gonna tap off the excess and just start pressing everywhere else. I almost don't need to apply bronzer on top of the cream bronzer or combo that we did, but I am going to anyway. So I'm going to use the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzer. This is in the shade Light. For powder blush, I'm going to go in with actually 2 Review Beauty blushes. This is the Endless Diffusion Everyday Baked Blush. This shade is in Paradise. I'm going to apply this more towards the outer part of the cheek. And then I'm going to take the shade Oasis more on the apples of the cheek. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario Soft Glow Highlighter in Pearl. Now we can move on to the bottom lash line. So I'm going to take the first shade that we used in the palette. I'm going to run this along the entire lower lash line, then take this shade. I'm going to run that more in the outer third of the lower lash line, and then the bottom shade I'm going to apply on the very outer corner of the lower lash line. Then I'm going to apply, first I forgot that I'm going to do a kind of a nice nude eyeliner in the waterline. And now I'm going to apply mascara to the bottom lashes. Okay, let's go back to the highlighter. I'm going to take the highlighter in the inner corner. I'm going to bring it up slightly a little bit in this area. And I'm going to also apply it to the brow bone. I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Up and Down Tan. Since, like I said earlier, that the lip liner and the lipstick I'm actually going to be getting for Christmas. I'm going to line my lips with this. Since I am actually doing a 2 lip shades or lip combo, for the lip combo I'm going to apply a small amount of this. I'm going to tap on with this one just to apply a small amount. And then in the center I'm going to apply the shade Daisy. Wow, I love how that lip combo turned out. It's so pretty. I'm gonna do a combo of setting spray. So Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray and the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I'm gonna go with the Charlotte Tilbury one first. Then I'm going to spray the One Size Setting Spray. And also I'm going to apply my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. Wow, this makeup look turned out amazing. This is perfect for the holidays. I love this makeup look. It's so pretty. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!